Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hiccup. Happy birthday to you. And Merry Christmas too, you Christmas boy. Oh, you don't want your food, you just want cover. Where you going? Where you going, birthday boy? You're 1 year old. Yeah, sweet potato. Eat it. Eat the sweet potato. He's like, no, I want to hide. I want to hide. I don't know what's going on. This is unusual. Baby. Hi, birthday boy. Oh, birthday boy is all set. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Come on. Oh. Let's see if he'll maybe eat his yummy dinner once I get him undercover. He's got scrambled egg, sweet potato, and some of our turkey. And a little flourish of parsley. But he only likes to eat when it's dark and when he's undercover, so he's a little upset. But still, you survived a year! Yeah! You've seen all the seasons and all the holidays. Oh. What a good boy, but you're still so shy. But that's okay. It's okay to be shy. Where are you going? You're going to hide under your legs. You smell familiar. Birthday boy, smile for the camera. No. Yeah, go eat your dinner. Go eat your dinner. No. High foot. Yeah, isn't that good? No, don't hide under your dinner. Yeah, I'm gonna go give him his dinner in peace. But say happy birthday to the birthday boy. And to the finger, say hi finger. Ah. Happy birthday, little guy. May you have a great year and a good Christmas. His birthday sweet potato. Oh, he was. Oh, he's still eating it. What are you doing? You gonna smear it on yourself? You're gonna smear it on yourself? Yeah, happy birthday! Happy birthday, you've made yourself a mess. Happy birthday. And I won't rub it off you right away since it's your birthday. Happy birthday, you blob of sweet potato. Yes.